morning, Agent P. The evil Dr. Doofenshmirtz is up to his old tricks. For reasons completely unknown, he's purchased a giant airship, or blimp, as the kids say. Your mission is to find out why, and, if necessary, put a stop to it.
Perry the Platypus. I'm glad you're here, actually. I was just getting ready to serve some platypus under glass. You're just in time to witness my latest invention, my DeflateINATOR, which I will demonstrate by deflating all the tires at the Jefferson County Motor Speedway. After which, I will deflate everything in the tri-state area. That way, if anyone wants anything inflated, they will have to talk to me. They fear me. Listen to their screams, huh? Imagine the mayhem once my DeflateINATOR is fully charged. Run like the wind, my little endangered rodent. And I will give you some cheese. I know I had some around there somewhere. There's some. There used to be some road fruit in the back here. I don't. I suppose I should have seen that coming.
Looks like we're walking.